Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 7a with a badly cracked display, but it still works. So let's go fix it. So one thing you can see on this Google Pixel 7a is there's a cute wallpaper of a cute dog, but there's lots of hairline cracks underneath the display, and it's just gonna get worse over time. So before it gets worse, we have to replace it. And this is the first time that the smartphone will be opened up. So you can see that David has struggled for minutes removing this front display. So we're just gonna cut through that and go to the part where it's already opened. We're gonna remove this retaining clip for the display connector, put the one screw on the side, put the clip on the side, remove the display connector. We're not gonna be reusing the display, and we're gonna grind off some material because the smartphone has been dropped on the sides and corners, and there's definitely a bent aluminum piece of the housing that we need to clear off so that we can install the new display without any issues using this very cute grinder. I'm gonna go on all sides, inspect it, just so we are clear to install this replacement display. It's all covered in plastic. We're gonna remove that. Also have this very long connector. We're gonna fold it according to what we can see on the old display. We're also going to remove the fingerprint scanner from the old display. I'm going to take off that tape, disconnect the connector, and scrape it off slowly. This is a very tense part of the repair, but David just took it like a champ. Also going to remove some rubber components from the old display for the front camera, and here we're gonna copy the fold for the display connector just so we don't have any issues when we close up the device. David is folding it again. There you go. Flex cables are a thing. You can bend them, but you can't do it multiple times. We're gonna install the fingerprint scanner module, attach it first, and clip it in. Put back the tape and position it over the cutout on the display. We're gonna install the rubber components that we have removed from the old display. Clean off the housing. We're gonna test if this display is working. I'm gonna attach the connector to the main board. It's pretty straightforward. These Google Pixels are, when you try to fix them up, there's no issues. Push that in, make sure it's in there. And we're gonna see the fit around the corners. There seems to be no issues. This still doesn't have the adhesive, so we can pull it out without any problem. And let's turn it on. So it's taking a while to boot up, but we'll have to wait. There you go. The Google logo on the display. I'm gonna wait for it to go to the home screen. There you go. I'm gonna fast forward. It's really taking a while for it to load up. Not what I expect from a flagship Google Pixel smartphone. It's already sped up. So if you have Google Pixel 7a or any other variations of the Pixel 7 lineup, you can message David here. He can replace the display just like this one. You can also replace the battery if you need one, charging ports, whatever you need. And if you have any questions, you can message him on Facebook, Instagram, and even on Google. You can find us on Google Maps. You can also send us a message there. And if you're not in Sydney, we can offer you a mail-in repair service wherein you send us your broken smartphone, we fix it here and send it back when it's already fixed. And this one is all good. We're just gonna close it up and give it back to the client. Like and subscribe, guys. We release new videos every day, so don't hesitate to message us if you have any questions about our services. And David here has done a good job fixing the smartphone, and we say goodbye to the cute puppy on this phone. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.